Today we'll be raw packing some corned beef. I picked up 11 pounds at $2.99 a pound. I think beef's going to get very expensive, so I grabbed a little bit of extra. And I love corned beef. It's great. I mean, you could make corned beef hash, Reuben sandwiches, cook it with cabbage and potatoes. Um, all right, so this is going to be pretty straightforward. It's just going to be trimming the fat off the meat, cubing it up, packing the jars, and doing the pressure canning for 75 minutes, and that's it. Clean it up, put it on the shelf, and you're good to go.